Before this video starts, I'm going to be giving away a normal lamp to any one of you guys. For that, you need to subscribe, like the video, and then share this video. So I'll announce the winners really soon. So let's get right into the video. So hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be trading a brand new lamp which just now came to the game. So this person is putting up a Fly-Ride Penguin, a Metalox, a Red Panda, a Dolphin. I'm going to be doing a decline. This person is putting up a Shark. It's not that bad of a deal, but I'm going to be doing a decline because we can get a Shark and then ads for the lamp because they just now came to the game and they're really hard to get. They're putting up a normal lamp, but mine is a rideable lamp, and then I'm also making a neon lamp, so I will upload a video soon trading the neon lamp, so stay tuned for that. This person is putting up a Aussie egg and then Fly King B. It's a good offer. I'm saying it's fair, but I'm going to be doing a decline, so we can look at more offers, but it's a good one, I'm saying. So let's see what this person wanna offer. A rideable ladybug, a rideable robin. Not that bad of a deal, but still we're gonna decline. So we can look for more offers. A rideable dolphin, a rideable dragon. It's a pretty good offer. Oh, a rideable snow. I think it's snow. What is that? Snow puma. Yep. I'm gonna do a decline, but it's a good try. I'm saying. So 2 octopus. Oh my god. Obviously it's a win, but I'm making a neon. This is like a preteen lamb, so I'm gonna switch it to a newborn lamb and see if this person wanna do the trade. Please, fingers crossed. No, they changed it to 1 octopus. I'm gonna do a decline. If they did, I'd be so happy. Oh my god, this is a full grown Fly-Ride Kitsune. It's a pretty fair trade because it's full grown, and then if you trade it for someone who's making the neon, you can get a better deal. So a Fly-Ride Panda, I'm going to do a decline because they are under it. We can get better deals. This person is putting up a fossil egg. Actually, they are really under. Even though fossil eggs are not in the game, like right now, it's really easy to get a fossil egg because they do not worth a lot. And this person is putting up a right potion, and then they accept it. Obviously, I'm going to do a decline because I think I can get 2 right potions. A Fly-Ride Metalox. Even though they're not in the game, Metalogs are hated and then they're super hard to trade away. So I'm going to be doing a decline. A golden unicorn and then a red dragon. I'm gonna say it's a good offer. Obviously it's a good offer, but still I'm going to be doing a decline, but I feel like it's a good offer. Oh, a toy monkey. In future this will be a win, but for now it's a lose because the lamb are in like a lot of hype right now. Oh my god, this is a lot of stuff. I don't know what eggs are those. They look so cute, but we're gonna be doing a decline. So this person right there is putting up a unicorn and then some pet wares, but I'm going to be doing a decline because we can get 2 legendary and then some ads. So this person right here is putting up a ocean egg, a neon cat, and then some ads. Obviously they are so under, so we have to do a decline. So after some trading process, I met Complex Roblox. She was like, "Can I offer for your lamb?" I was like, "Sure, why not? You can offer." So she put right B, right Ghost Bunny, right Starfish. The main thing I did the trade is 2 reasons. One, it's really fair because if you give right Starfish, you can get a legendary. If you give a right B, you can get a legendary. If you give a right Ghost Bunny, you can get a legendary. That's one reason. The second reason is the Starfish was full grown starfish, and also I'm like making a neon starfish. I just need 2 more. I have 2 full grown. This will be the 3rd full grown, and then I need to age another one. So I was like really happy, so I could trade away the starfish for something better. So yeah, that's the second reason. So these 2 are the reason. I was like, can you replace the Yeti with something good? She added a rideable stegosaurus, and yeah, that's perfectly what I want. I was a little laggy, so she accepted before. Actually Complex was really happy with this trade, and I was happy too because it's a fair trade for both of us, and then why not. I'm obviously gonna do this trade, and I was pretty happy that she also was happy about this trade, and I was happy too. So we both confirmed and the trade was successful. We traded away the lamb. Now the sad part is I cannot accept any trades because I had 6 lamps in total. I'm making neon, so 4 will go there, and then 1 I trade with complex. I just have 1 left, which is for the giveaway. So I'm not gonna accept any offers, but you can just see what people will offer. This person is putting up a pig, so they're under. This person is putting up a rideable queen bee. I feel like it's fair trade, but I cannot accept any trades because yeah, I just traded away the one I had. Now this for the giveaway, I cannot trade it away. So yeah, this person is putting up a rideable silly duck. This offer is under. So even though if I had the lamb, I would have declined. This person has put up a rideable T-Rex. I would have done it, but I'm not gonna do it now because it's a fat trade. If they add a little bit, I would have done this trade. Okay, so this person is putting up a flyweight llama. I feel like it's pretty fair trade. But still, I obviously have to decline every single trade from now. No way. This is the biggest win on the planet. It's a neon chicken. It works like a neon legendary. I really regret everything. If I got this trade, I'll be so happy. And yeah, now I'm so sad because I traded away the lamb with complex spirit. It's really fine. Let's look at more offers. This person is putting up a flyer at golden ladybug. Obviously I'm going to do a decline because they're under. They could have added a little bit. Other than that, it's kind of good trade. A rideable frost fury. I think I've got like Flyred, Frost Fury, and a little bit of ads. So, anyways, it's a pretty far trade because if you give Frost Fury, you can get 2 to 3 legs. This person is putting up a Fly Bat, Neon Monkey, and then ads. Obviously, they're under. Even though it's a Neon Monkey, the monkeys are not that much worth. They're kind of like oxes. So, I'm going to be doing a decline. So this person is putting up a right clownfish, a right ladybug, and then some ads. Even though it's a pretty good one, but still I think I'm going to be doing a decline. So this person is putting up a right kitsune and then turkey plush. I don't know the exact value of turkey plush, so I think I'm going to be doing a decline, but I think they're worth a lot, so I feel like it's a fair trade, but I'm not sure with it, so I'm going to be doing a decline. This person is putting up Flyride Peacock and then a Narwhal. Even though the peacocks cost a lot of Robux and then things, I think it's a fair trade, but I'm not gonna trade it away. I'm not sure about this thing. I think it's a fair trade because ninja monkeys are not in the game anymore, and then it's a rideable ninja monkey. I seriously don't know about this trade, but I'm making a neon and then stuff anyways. I'm not gonna do the trade, but I think it's a fair trade. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So make sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel and then share my videos with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.